So now let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our GBP USD. So let's see what GBP USD is actually going to be giving us for the day. But before we go ahead to predict what market to be doing for the day, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like and share, make sure you make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any single updates. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. Now let's start with our trend right here on our GBP USD. This is a trend right here on the GBP USD. Market is on a ranging market move. Market is literally ranging, right? So market was rallied up to tap our resistance. Then once it got to the resistance, it rejected from the resistance and jumped to tap our support level, right? Market eventually got to the support level, rejected from it, and it rallied up to tap our resistance. Market eventually rejected from our resistance and jumped down to tap our support. Then rejected from the support and came back to tap our resistance, right? Then also rejected from the resistance and jumped to tap our support. Market eventually rejected from the support and it rallied up to tap our resistance. Now we are currently at this resistance, right? So in the long run, we will be expecting market to reject from this resistance and jump to tap our support level. So this is to tell that we will be anticipating for a bearish move. That means we should be expecting a movement to the downside on our GBP USD. So we should be expecting GBP USD to actually drop. When you go down to your forward time frame right here, you will see it right here. Multiple rejection right here. Market is giving us that multiple rejection. So expect it to push up. Then one more drop will play out. If there will be any changes to this prediction, I'll make sure I do the updates and let you guys know. So if you did not want to miss out on the updates, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like and share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop 1 or 2 updates, you will not miss out on any single update. So above all, we should be anticipating for a bearish move on GBP USD. And same thing with such movements will also likely going to play out on the Euro USD. Let's see what it does today.